Have you ever needed to quickly export your invoices from QuickBooks Online, maybe to share with a client, keep a backup, or run some custom analysis in Excel? In this video, I'll walk you through exactly how to export your invoices step by step, and by the end, you'll know how to do it in both Excel and PDF formats. Let's get started. Inside QuickBooks Online, the first place you want to head to is the Reports tab. This is where QuickBooks stores all the detailed breakdowns of your financial data. Next, in the search bar, type in Invoice List and select it. This is the report that pulls together all your invoices in one place. Now, before exporting, you might want to customize your report. For example, you can adjust the date range to only see invoices from the last month, quarter, or year. You can also add or remove columns, apply filters for specific customers, or just clean up the layout to make it easier to read. Customizing ensures that you're only exporting the information you actually need. Once your report looks the way you want, click Run Report. This generates a clean list of invoices based on your chosen settings. Now it's time to export. QuickBooks gives you two main options. Option 1 is Excel. Look for the export icon. It usually looks like an arrow pointing into a box. Click it, then select Export to Excel. This will download your invoice list as an Excel file, which you can open, format, or analyze further. Excel is great if you want to sort data, create charts, or use formulas. Option 2 is PDF. If you'd like a ready-to-share, professional-looking file, just click the Print or Preview option, then select Save as PDF. This is perfect if you want a snapshot of your invoices that you can send directly to a client or keep for records. And that's it. Exporting invoices from QuickBooks Online is really just a matter of finding the right report, customizing it to your needs, and choosing whether you want Excel or PDF. So the next time you need a copy of your invoices, you'll know exactly where to go and how to get it done in just a few clicks. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a like and subscribe for more QuickBooks tips that will save you time and keep your business finances running smoothly.